Is it a little cold? I can close that door for you.
No, it's fine.
Sure. Let me out there in the poncho.
And it easy, they're gonna cut it for me. So we're gonna get this project going quick. So much for being patient and helping me get this project together.
I'm always here to help you at Lowe's.
All right. Guys, so I'm back with another project, and what we have here is the 1 by 2 by 8 foot, and these are 248 a piece, and I use 3 of them. 3 1/4, and I'm going to be making some modern plant stands out of these, and I have 32 inches, and I have 16 8 pieces. So let's get started. I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as I can. So what you will be needing for this project is some wood glue, and you're gonna need some wood screws and a drill or a screwdriver, however you want to do it. But the glue is what I do to get everything put together, then I screw it to make it more secure after. All right, guys, so all 4 are glued together. I'm gonna let these sit for hours and I'll be back. But in the camera, you know it's gonna be seconds. I'll be back. Now we have the main piece, and then I'm gonna take these, once these dry, and just set it on top and glue it, and that is it. There we go. All right, so now both pieces are together, and just wait till the morning to let them completely dry. All right, they are done. So I'm gonna take them up off the floor and show you how they look and where I want them to be, and kind of give you some ideas of what they look like with the plants in them. Before I even paint them, I'm not sure exactly what color. I think it's gonna be black though, but let's get into it. So here they are. So here it is in front of the window, and I get a lot of light in here, and I have one on the other side as well. So this look, I really love snake plants, and it to give them space to get bigger, because that pot is actually a big pot, but the little pot is within it. So I'm gonna keep that where it is. I'm gonna show you where that normally is. I have to freshen up the white on that pot, but then I also have this idea for this plant as well. Let me show you. So this is the other idea, but I really love this plant. I don't know, I think I'll have one on each side because the TV is gonna go in the middle. And yeah, so let's figure this out. This is where this one sits. That's the home for that one. So yeah, then I have one on the coffee table. So I love my plants. I just want them to be sporadically around the house, and it's great for oxygen in your home. And these pots, I'm gonna try to insert a picture. Like, I haven't seen none less than like 90 something dollars, 100 and something dollars, and I was able to make 2 for less than $9. And my other plant, and it's just growing right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is just a raw, easy, quick way to make some nice modern looking plant stands for less than $9. I'm so excited about these. I will do an update video once I decide what I'm gonna do, because I don't know how I want to paint them. I'm probably gonna do a little sanding, and I might put some nails just to secure them a little bit, and then just go out and find my pot. So I'll do another video on an update of how I decorate these and where they're going to be at with the new pots and the plants inside them. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you join the family by subscribing and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I load a new video, and share the channel, and I will see you guys later, gators.